Gonna put my hair back, and by the way, my daughter just told me, why do I wear these extensions if people just know that they're fake? Rude. I'm gonna start with my face first, and I'm using Dermalogica's Hydra Blur Primer. Just a little where I need it, which is basically my nose and like on my cheeks. It really does blur out so much, and it doesn't have so much of a silicone feel, which I don't like. It's not super greasy or anything. Foundation, I'm using one of my favorites, which is Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage. I personally love full coverage. I feel like I need it. I have a lot of spots on my face. You don't need to if your skin is better than mine. And the shade that I use in this is 2.16, which is light with a warm golden undertone. I do have multiple ones of these that I use. They have a lot of different shades. This is one of the first times I'm actually filming in the daytime, which is random because usually I film at night when my daughter's asleep. I just want to get more into makeup looks again. Makeup looks, more using new collections coming out, more product reviews, things like that. I know a lot of people kind of shifted to lifestyle content. Honestly, I'm just kind of over watching a lot of that. I kind of just want to go back into makeup. I'm going to take a little bit of this Cover FX Power Play Concealer, and I'm just going to add a little bit to my forehead. It's pretty big. I'm not trying to do a lot with this. It's just going to kind of warm it up a little bit. I'm still using the foundation brush because it's going to help it blend a lot better. The only problem in the daytime is that I kind of got to hurry because I don't know if I've mentioned this here, but I kind of opted to do virtual learning for my daughter again, so she's here, so I don't have like hours where she's out of the house. And now she's on her class, so I got about like an hour. I have no regrets for virtual learning, by the way. It's a lot more work for me, but it's a lot less stressful during this time. For concealer, I'm using Born This Way again from Too Faced. Lift this area here. Then the brush I always use, which is from Tarte. I will link it. I've gotten so used to using a brush now for my concealer again. Another thing I forgot to use is the LA Girl Hydrating Mist Pineapple Spray that they just came out with. I really wanted to try it, and I forgot. I will do better. It smells really good though. It smells like pineapple. Okay, I'm going to set my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to use this dose of colors. Sponge for under my eyes, and then I'm going to set the rest of my face with this Makeup Forever thing. I love these. I don't know if you can buy them on their own. They're super soft, and I've washed them already, and they come out the same exact way. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to use is Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I couldn't remember if I've ever used this before. I'm going to use it to prevent creasing, and I'm sure I have. It worked really well. So the palette that I'm going to be using is ColourPop's Centrine You and Me palette. This palette is only $10, I believe, and totally worth it. They have a bunch of different colors. So the first color that I'm going to take is called Citrus Dream, and I'm just using that as my transition shade. The next color I'm going to use is called Abundance, which is a dark matte brown. So you really don't need a ton of colors to kind of build that, gradient color up. You just kind of need to blend it really well. So I'm going in pretty soft at first, and then I'm gradually building the color up to kind of blend it into that first color that I used. Then the next color I'm using is Us and Gem, which is a shimmery, coppery gold color, which is so pretty. This is the thing I love about ColourPop. They're super affordable, yet they're shimmery shadows. This isn't even wet or anything. They are so pigmented. I love it. And then I'm taking the dark matte brown color again, and I'm running it along my lash line instead of putting an eyeliner, just to make it a lot softer and smokier, which it doesn't look like it does much, but it does make a big difference to the eye. In the lower lash line, I'm just adding a mixture of both colors to the bottom. And then something I rarely do is add a nude to my waterline. I personally don't like the way it looks on me. I like the way it looks on other people, just not me. And the lashes I got are from Amazon, actually. Bronzer, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Glow Wish, and I use the color Light. This is a Tarte brush. It came in this year's holiday set. Bring it up a little bit. I really like these brushes.
Something crazy is going on here.
With what?
All these tools for makeup.
Blush, I'm going to use Laura Mercier's Peach, which is one of my favorites. For highlighter, this actually came in, I believe, last month's Boxycharm. I got it. It's the Ofra That Glow palette, and I can't open it. Look at how pretty that is. So pretty. I should have tried to use this. I've never tried to use this right here, which
5 minutes and she still hasn't started it.
California Dream Triangle, I think it is, but I'm going to use the Rodeo Drive highlighter. I think that's that one right there. Highlighters are really pretty. Color is really pretty. It's from Dragon Beauty. Lip Job Liner. I'm not sure if there's only one. There's no name on it. That is really pretty. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Rouge Artist Shine On in, I don't know, Jubilant Caramel? I don't know what that says.